time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why.
I believe they may have found a way to spare the doppelganger.
As human, a life means nothing.
In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the
True life is not real unless it is pretend. You agree?
You're so foolish. Mr. Camp, do not feel, and we do not care.
I do not believe in love, but in
Life is too cruel. If we cease to believe in love, why would we want to live?